Hi guys, let's make some Lahori Chargha. This is steamed fried chicken. The recipe is enough for one chicken, but you can double or triple the amount. You want to remove the skin and the giblets of one chicken. Make deep cuts all the way around the chicken. This will help the marinade get right in there and make your chicken taste delicious. Rub the chicken in half a cup of vinegar. This will get rid of any smell and will help in the marination process. Let this sit for 15 minutes, then throw away the vinegar and pat the chicken dry. Now on to the marinade. For one chicken, you will need 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of whole spice or garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. This is readily available at all your South Asian stores. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch of red or orange food color, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You just want to give that a good mix, making sure that all the yogurt and the spices are mixed in really well together. We're just going to pour that spice mix and marinade over the chicken, and you're going to rub it into the chicken, making sure you get all the marinade in between those deep cuts and into the cavity itself. Use a spatula to wipe down the sides of the bowl so you don't waste any of the marinade. Tie the chicken legs together and cover the chicken in foil. Marinate in the fridge for at least 8 hours, but overnight is best. So I marinated my chicken the night before and removed it from the fridge half an hour before cooking. We need to place 2 peeled and halved onions in the bottom of a pan that is large enough for the chicken to lay on its side. Then we will add a 1/4 cup of oil. To this we will add the chicken and the leftover marinade. Cover with a lid and cook for 5 minutes on a high heat. Then lower the flame and cook on a low heat for 25 minutes more. Place enough oil in the pan to cover half the chicken and heat this oil to 180 degrees Celsius. To this we're going to add your chicken and fry that for 5 to 10 minutes on each side until crispy. Check how crispy that is. The smell of this was just amazing. It just wafted through my house. Serve it with some green mint raita, some naan and a splash of lemon. I've included the recipe of the green raita in the description down below, so do check it out. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope this is something you try out this weekend. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and help us grow. Bye!